right here we're taking the bridge apart, taking the original pickup off. I have a few other goodies planned for this thing. Here we have a DiMarzio Super Distortion humbucker for a Telecaster. And I tell you, with this film sped up, I wish I moved this fast in real life still. Now this pickup went in real easy. Getting a little farther in the video, you'll see where the difficulties start. Even sped up, it's going to take a long time. This thing started life out as a pawn shop find. We managed to get dirt cheap because it had a badly warped neck, which we were actually able to fix. Here we're putting the bridge in. Now we're putting in the neck pickup. Pretty easy because, you know, we saved everything and put it in a Ziploc bag. Which, if you're going to tear a guitar down, put the parts in a Ziploc bag, label them if possible. It'll make your life so much easier. On this guitar, since it's going to be a beater, there's no solder being used yet. We're pretty much just hardwiring and using electric tape. I don't recommend doing that to one you're going to sell, but if you don't have the money for a new wiring harness, it would be the way to go. Here's where the difficulty started. Putting the gut work in a semi-hollow body. Definite pain in the backside. You can see the three-way selector switch went in easy. Here's where the difficulty starts. I probably fought with that one-tone knob for 15 minutes. And here I tried a piece of wire to try to pull it through. That failed. It took about 4 or 5 more tries after that to actually get that sucker in. Success. Now the other one went in a little bit easier. And on goes the knobs and the switch cover. And from here we're putting in the input jack, but due to the camera angle you can't really see it. That went relatively smoothly. Now we're putting the strap buttons on.